morning in סאם-סון. Let's see what the weather is like outside. Okay, so it was raining. It seems like it stopped raining 7 o'clock in the morning. And the plan is to head south. No real plan actually, just wing it. Let's see what happens. This is the road south of the Saam-Son pagoda through the hills. The ocean is under the cliffs just in front of us, so let's go and find ourselves a nice beach. Okay, so let's check it out. The ocean is just here. Yep. Okay, looks like a fishing port, fishing beach. Ciao boy san. Como no es de por ahí. No hay de. I wanted to continue talking, but my Vietnamese is simply not good enough for small talk like that. Plus, they didn't seem too interested. But I must admit, they really do have a little piece of heaven here. Beautiful beach. Go out to fish a little bit in the morning, enjoy the nature, fresh air. What else can you ask for? Another fishing beach. Seems like it would probably be nicer in the summer, although I doubt it. So I always prefer to go on the small roads and not on the highway, because even though it's a bit slower, it's a lot more interesting. There is a market, the beach is just behind. Hello. And the people are usually nicer. Yeah. This is a nice empty beach. Beautiful. It sure is beautiful. South of Saam-Son there is a stretch of a wide empty beach. Perfect for a motorbike joyride. About 8 kilometers I drove south on this beach, enjoying the solitude and the fresh air until I arrived at Dien Phuc pagoda. So there's a pagoda on the beach, just on the way. There's the tower. I don't think I'll even go inside, I might, but I'll definitely lift the drone, it might make a nice photo opportunity. There's the beach just behind. So I have a decision to make, and that is, I'm here, if to go to this, not this one, this one, Hoi-An National Park, or continue along the coast. And I've seen the coast, and National Park seems a little bit more interesting now, although it takes me away, of course. So really that's a decision to make. Go to the National Park. I'm getting off the highway, heading west, getting away from the beach area, and I hope I won't regret it. Why am I afraid I'll regret it? Because it's a long way to only go and see a lake flooded by a dam. But in the meantime, just look at this beautiful landscape on the way. And there it is, the entrance of Dien Phuc National Park. Okay, there it is. Let's see what to do here. That was it for this park, and there's not much to do except for flying the drone over the dam, and I could have taken the boat, but it seems pointless, I guess. I will just keep on driving around a little bit. There's some nice nature around, and that'll be it for the day, I guess. There was nothing. I didn't see any trails or anything. Maybe there were a little bit. Anyways, would I have gone had I known? Maybe. The road here is nice and I have plenty of time. But would I recommend to somebody else? Probably not. I don't know if it's worth it just to come see a dam and leave. So now I will continue on and find a place to sleep for tonight. I made a mistake and I took the wrong way and what do you want? And now it will take me almost an hour to get to the next town. And oh, look at him. And I hope I can even find Anyanyi there, because otherwise I don't know where I'll sleep tonight. I have to keep on going in the dark. Okay, let's see. I'll stop, let the truck go. Then can continue. And then on the way I stumbled upon this women football match. They were actually quite surprising. Look at the skill here, look at her go. And another one. Yeah, quite a woman Messi. And look at them play, with shoes, without shoes, look at them barefoot. There's a commentator, there's a referee, and they put in a lot of effort. And of course, there's a lot of crowd. People from all over come to watch the game. And then I arrived at Thai Hoa, the only town in the area big enough to find a place to sleep in. So I stored my stuff in the room and went outside to get something to eat and look around a bit. Taken to by me, one for today, one for tomorrow. Coming up in the next episode. Day 4. From the mountains we head back to the coast. Spend the day there, driving south, and finish the day at Vin City. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming adventures of road trip from Hanoi to Da Nang.